everyone. Welcome to ACSP English program. I am Lisa from P.1/7. We are your Primary 1 news reporter. Today we will present about life in Primary 1. Our field reporters will guide you through the learning atmosphere, our modern facilities, and our meets and greets with our P.1 friends. Let's go meet the EV field reporters.
Hello everyone, my name is Levi, student number 10. Today I'm going to show most days we do morning homeroom to practice our learning and review special of the week with a homeroom teacher. There are many fun activities to practice our skills and get ready for class.
你好，我是一涵。在EP 中文班，老师有有趣的活动带我们学中文，每天和我们练习说中文，我们学得很开心。来加入我们吧。
Hi everyone, my name is Gao. It's lunchtime. I always enjoy eating with my friends. There are lots of different dishes they give us each day. I like sandwich. Then we will play outside or create the Lego statue in makerspace room.
Hi, my name is An. I am always excited for our swimming class. I am learning to swim and my swimming class teacher is always there to guide me and make sure we're safe and have fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Olga P.1/7. I like iMac room. I can explore and try many things to learn computer skills for my job in the future. I'm extremely excited to learn more.
Hello everyone, my name is Molly and today I want to talk about this is my class. This is our class. I love learning math because the teacher gives me interesting games and activities like hit the button and the number jigsaw. I love learning math because it grows my brain.
Hello everyone, my name is Gwen. Period 8 is my extra class. The teacher helps us finish homework and review some learning so we can understand it more. Saturday classes and after school activities are also based on what I love to learn.
We are looking forward to seeing you soon. I am based from P.1/7, your EP Primary 1 news reporter. Please click like, subscribe, and share on beloved EP Facebook page and ACSP English Program YouTube channel. See you next week, friends. Bye!